Good evening, guys. So, tiwasag reels, guys. So, kanang, guys, kung magpa-visa ka sa Canada, guys, is always not easy. So, mura kang, if you just going to get one chance to make your, like, para kang nag-submit na, you're just going to make it one time, and then you have to make it sure na it's a correct document, and then, tama ang information that you have, kanang nilagay mo. Kasi if your application doesn't have the correct document or you're going to be refused, so yun siyang parang may mali, mayroong hindi, incomplete siya, and it's not correct. Yung parang ganun. Because the officer will, kuan siya, rarely, nakayos sila mag-contact sa mo if you have missing or minsan talaga pag matapat ka sa officer, ibabalik na sila automatic sinasabi na you are refused because you are lacking in this document. So if you're going to submit, you have to go above and beyond to make sure na ang officer, there's no reason for the officer na i-reject or i-refuse ang application. So yun,